How to make Google Form public but not editable. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make your Google Form public but not editable. This will allow anyone with a link to fill it out, but they won't be able to change the form itself. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and go to the forms.google.com, or you can simply search for Google Form as well, and make sure you sign into your account. Once you've done that, tap on the top left corner of the screen to find the form that you want to edit, or you can simply create a new form as well. Tap on the three dots and simply tap on open in new window. From here, what you need to do is, once you have your form open, click on settings icon located in right beside response. In the general tab, what you can see is make sure that the option to collect email address is unchecked. Here, collect email address, tap on do not collect. This is important if you want the form to be accessible to anyone without requiring sign in. Next, if you don't want to restrict responses just people in your organization, make sure the box that says restrict to users in your organization is unchecked. Now, to make anyone be able to simply edit it but not be able to make public, let's do it. As you can see here, responses, anyone with the link, and simply tap on here. From this, if you see on general access, as you can see here, editor view restricted. So what you need to do is you need to simply put the restricted on editor view so that no one can be able to edit it instead of you. And in the responder view, simply tap on anyone with the link and simply tap on done. And that's how you can make Google Form public but not editable by anyone.